Backpacks, leave me alone, I'm that strap. 22 to kick back, clean it up, laundromat.
I blew the roof of the ceiling for another million. Hey, what is good, Royal guys? Check this out, man. I got another video for y'all today, man. It's gonna be very simple. I'm finna go ahead and put this aloe in my hair. Well, this aloe is bad, so I gotta get some more aloe. So what I'm gonna do is go get some aloe. Alright, man, I'm finna go ahead and get some aloe so I can put it in my hair. How y'all been, man? Look at the weather. Weather is bad. Alright, so we got our aloe. What we're gonna do is chop this bad baby up. We're gonna throw it in my hair, you feel me? And that's all to it. Put that right there. Trying to figure out what container shall I use. See, I'm gonna just put it in the shit out there. Let me set y'all up real quick. As y'all see, I got my aloe. I already done cut a little something up, you feel me? It's already in the cup, but we're gonna cut some more so we can have a lot more dealing with my head, if you know what I'm saying. So what I do, I cut off the edge, which is the spiky parts. You know, I just cut them off, you know, make it easier. And also, when I cut them off, it also give me a better chance of, you know, scraping it off, peeling off the green part, so we can get all that aloe, all that good natural aloe. Look at that. We gon' link up with the fam, yeah, I'm talking NBF, yeah. Buddy, I don't never lie, that chopper make a nigga dance. Versatile freelance, fuck any bitch nigga the pants. Only with the shits if you a 10, picking any bitch, yeah, I'm a man. If you want a feature, give me a grand. Drip my body, I'm cool like a fan. I cannot lose, I was up grinding, they snooze. Fuck all the fighting, be cool. Fuck all the dying, keep tools. I got a pack, hit him and do it again. Fucking, I'm fucking a friend. I got bands, money, I'm flying to France. Chicken till a nigga land. You got a man, know what I do to your mans. No, I ain't shooting the hands. Took an airline, took one again. Crash Ferrari, so I hop so in. It's crazy how you watch a young nigga gon' move. It's crazy worry about yourself, nigga, make a move. You steady watching all the winning niggas, you gon' lose. I don't gotta. Look at that. Look at that. Got some of that. Now what we're gonna do? Smash that bad boy up. Feel me? Just like that. Y'all see that it's still like it's some aloe little stuff in there? That don't even matter. You straight. Cause you gonna wash your hair later, like probably like a week or two later. I usually wash mine. Like I usually do this when I'm about to get a retwist. So I put aloe in my hair and then I leave it in for probably like 2 more weeks, and then I'll get a retwist. I'll wash it out, wash it real good, then get a retwist. You know the whole step. But anyway, yep, back to it. Look at that. All right, we done bammered that. You see? See how jelly it is. See how much it is. Now what we gonna do now? We gonna go ahead get a cup. You know, cup. Yep. We gonna get some water. We gonna put water in the cup. Feel me?
Water in the cup. It ain't gotta be too much water. It ain't gotta be too much water. We just need some water, you feel me? Some water in the cup. So, Bango, take that. Pour that bad boy in there. Ooh, she's slimy, man. Go ahead and mix it up. Don't stir it like this, cause you not mixing nothing when you stir it like this. All you doing is just making it go around in circles. It's not mixing. So make sure you actually cut it up. No whisk. Cut it up. You feel me? Cut it up. Go forward, back and forth, back, forward, back, forward. It looks like I'm spinning it, but I'm going back and forth. I'm not going around. I'm not going around like that. I'm going back and forth. Do that so that water can get that aloe on it. You see how that aloe done turned clear? But it's aloe in that water. It's a lot of aloe in that water. You feel me? Look at them leaves in there swimming. Look. See how that water looks slimy? It don't fall like water. If y'all really know how water fall, it don't fall like water. Alright, you guys, I'm in the bathroom with it. As y'all can tell, I'm finna go ahead and get this thing popping. Woo, cause I need it, boy. I tell y'all, I need it. My hair, I haven't. Let me turn them off. Alright, so my hair, man, look at it. It looks all dry, right? It looks dry and all not dark black no more, jet black, however it was. It looks like an ashy black, little light black. It don't look like it's supposed to be, you feel me? It don't look like the roots, you feel me? So check this out, man. It's about time, and well needed. I need this aloe, cause the aloe is gonna bring my coat back, my shine back, you know, everything that I wanted back, you feel me? And it's also gonna puff out my hair again, and it's gonna also make my hair lock more dry up. Like it don't like it makes my hair hard, basically. It locks up the roots, and locks up the ends more, and you know, it gets it right. It gets the job done, you feel me? It gets the job done. Woo! So we back in here, man. We back in it. Hey, check this out, man. So I got the aloe. I got the wow. Alright, man. So I'm gonna pour the back first, okay? I'm gonna hit the back. I'm gonna try to get it all in my hair. Gotta get it. Ooh, this water cold. Ooh, I feel the sliminess.
Oh my eye. Oh my eye.
Not my mouth. Not eye. Wait, can't see. Oh, what was that? Oh, I thought y'all fell. Alright, check me out. I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Without getting it in my face. Gotta try it again, y'all boys. Get it. Get it. Get in there. Get in there. Get in there. Oh my God. Oh, it got in my mouth. That's nasty. Oh, yeah, make sure you get it all up in there. Check me out. While you doing this, something may fall on the stuff that you had in the cup. You know, something gonna fall, so you might as well go ahead and scoop that up. Blase like that. Get that thing like that. See? Put that thing back in your hair. Mush it around, man, because it's good for your hair. Good for you. It's not gonna harm your hair. It's gonna help you. Need some more of that. Just a little couple more down here. Pick them up like that. Pick them up like that. Come up like that. Oh, shit. I did that. So retarded. Ooh. That thing like that. Ooh. Yeah. Peace. So look at this, y'all. I hope this camera I got it pointing right. But do y'all like see like the stuff in my hair? I hope y'all see it. I try to get all that stuff everywhere in my hair to get it back, but this is how it looks right now as it's wet. So what I do, I actually just get a towel and I wrap the towel around my neck, right? And I just flip my hair back. You see how that coat coming back and all that? Already, baby. Already looking like it's all black. Flip my hair back and I just let it air dry, you feel me? Let it air dry, you get me, kid? Let it air dry. Let that thing do what it do. Let me try to get a light, better lighting. Let that thing do what it do, you feel me? Oh. But yeah, But yeah, man, let everything do what it do, man. I'm telling y'all right now, man. This your boy. Hey, stay tuned for more videos, man. Hair getting long, as y'all can see, man. If y'all my day one, y'all knew how short my hair was. But boy, look at him now. Hey, man. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you new, hit that subscribe button so you can know the deal, you feel me? It's your boy Poohdayyt, Royal Gods. Love y'all. Peace.